Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to fix 100% disk usage in Windows 10. There are few steps to fix this issue. Firstly, we have to disable Windows search services. So for this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Now, click on the services and at the bottom click on Open Services. From this services list, find out Windows Search. Okay, now right click on it, select Properties. On this window, here we can see Startup Type. Click on this and select Disable. Then apply and hit OK. Now restart your computer. So on the next step, we have to check for disk fragmentation configuration. For this, go to the search box and search for Task Scheduler. Now click on it. On this window, click here to expand Task Scheduler library, then expand Microsoft folder, then expand Windows folder. On that Windows folder, search for dfrag. Okay, now click on it. Now, click on this item that is Schedule Defrag. You will get the list of actions on the right side. Now click on the end. It will ask permission to end all the instances for this task. Click on S and now quickly click on Disable. Here you can see the status that is disabled. Now let's start your computer. Now on the next step, we will disable Superfetch services. So go to your Windows search and type CMD, and now here right click on it and click on Run as Administrator. Click on S. Okay, now on the command prompt terminal, type this command net.exe space stop space superfetch and hit enter. If you see Superfetch stopping and then Superfetch services was stopped successfully. If this helps, then now we will gonna disable permanently Superfetch. To do this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Now click on Services tab, then click on Open Services. Search for Superfetch. Okay, now right click on it and select Properties. On the startup type, select Disable. Then apply and click on OK. Close the all windows and restart your PC. Okay, now we will reset virtual memory. Go to the search box and type Control Panel. Click on Control Panel from the search result. Now on this window, go to View by and select Large Icons. Then select System. Now select Advanced System Settings. On this tab, select Advanced tab. Now click on Settings. It will open Performance option. Now click on Advanced tab again. And then under the virtual memory, click on Change. Now you will see here total paging size for all drives. Here, uncheck this option, then select Custom Size. On the initial size, put the recommended size. Then on the maximum size, for 4 GB RAM, you can get 6144 size, and 8 GB RAM, you can get 12288 maximum size. As per your RAM, you can calculate the maximum size with this way. Then click on Set, select OK, then apply, OK and OK again. Now restart your PC. Now the final step is update your device drivers. For this, go to your Windows Start and select this icon, that is settings. Now click on update and security and wait for updates to download and install. After all, restart your PC and your problem will be solved. That's it. You're good to go. This is must have channel for laptop and desktop users, so please do subscribe